The teacher-led check-in tool is a quick and easy way to check in with students' feelings on Peekapak without requiring students to log in. To access the tool, log in to peekapak.com and navigate to the Check-in Tool tab on the top middle of your screen. The page will load the list of students in your selected classroom. From here, you can easily see which students have already checked in and which students still need to perform a check-in. Click on a student name to perform a check-in. Pass your device to the student to perform the check-in. They can hover over the question marks to learn more about an emotion. Once a student clicks on an emotion, their status will update, and you will be able to see it reflected in the mood board report. For a quick summary of class check-ins, click on the blue Summary tab on the right-hand side of the screen. This gives an anonymous overview of check-ins. To view the detailed report, click on the View Student Mood Board Report button.